As we look ahead to 2026, salary expectations for most workers are tempered by projections of modest or flat wage growth. Industry surveys and economic forecasts suggest that significant raises are unlikely, with many employers planning to maintain salary increases at levels similar to those seen in 2025. While some regions and sectors may experience incremental wage adjustments, the broader trend points toward stabilization rather than substantial growth. This outlook reflects ongoing economic pressures and a shift toward more cautious compensation strategies across the labor market. In 2025, salary trends reflected moderate growth, with employers implementing steady but not dramatic pay increases. This period of measured adjustment set a clear precedent for the year ahead, shaping expectations for 2026. Industry surveys and wage trackers indicated that most organizations approached compensation cautiously, balancing inflation concerns with labor market realities. As a result, the groundwork laid in 2025 has led to projections of stable or only slightly reduced salary increases for 2026, signaling a shift toward more normalized wage growth after recent years of volatility. According to Mercer's latest survey, U.S. employers are expected to keep base salary increases steady at 3.2% in 2026, with total increases projected at 3.5%. These figures are virtually unchanged from the previous year, indicating a period of stabilization in wage growth. The consistency in salary budgets suggests that employers are taking a cautious approach amid evolving economic conditions. This trend reflects a broader pattern of modest adjustments rather than significant pay raises for most American workers in the coming year. The World at Work, 2025 to 2026. Salary Budget Survey reveals a subtle shift in salary increase expectations for the coming year. According to the survey, the projected mean salary increase budget is set to decrease slightly, moving from 3.7% in 2025 to 3.6% in 2026. This marginal decline suggests that organizations are approaching compensation adjustments with caution, reflecting broader economic trends and a focus on stabilization. While the change is not dramatic, it highlights a trend toward more modest wage growth as employers navigate ongoing market uncertainties. Across Europe, wage growth trends are showing signs of stabilization as we move into 2026. The European Central Bank's wage tracker points to a normalization in negotiated wage increases, suggesting that the rapid wage growth seen in previous years is tapering off. Projections indicate that wage growth will be lower and more stable throughout the first 3 quarters of the year. This shift reflects broader economic adjustments and a return to more predictable patterns in salary negotiations. Overall, European workers and employers can expect a steadier wage environment compared to recent periods of volatility. Beginning January 1st, 2026, minimum wage increases will take effect in 19 U.S. states, directly impacting more than 8.3 million workers. Notably, states like Missouri and Nebraska are set to raise their minimum wages to $15 per hour, significantly above the federal minimum, which has remained at $7.25 since 2009. These changes aim to boost earnings for low-wage workers and address the rising cost of living. The increases are expected to have a ripple effect, potentially influencing wage structures in neighboring states and industries. However, the overall economic impact will depend on how businesses and local economies adapt to the higher labor costs. Missouri and Nebraska are set to make significant changes in 2026 by raising their minimum wages to $15 per hour. This new rate stands well above the federal minimum wage, which has remained at $7.25 since 2009. The increase is expected to directly impact thousands of workers in both states, providing a notable boost to their earnings. These adjustments reflect ongoing efforts at the state level to address wage growth, even as federal standards remain unchanged. In contrast to national trends showing modest wage growth, Iowa's job market is facing unique challenges in 2026. According to the Palmer Group Salary Guide, wages in Iowa are largely stagnant, offering little increase for workers compared to previous years. Additionally, there has been a notable decline in remote work opportunities across the state. This shift suggests a move toward more traditional, employer-driven workplace practices. As a result, Iowa workers may find fewer options for both higher pay and flexible work arrangements in the coming year. Looking at the broader landscape for 2026, most workers should anticipate only modest or flat salary adjustments. While certain regions and industries may experience wage increases, the overall trend points to stabilization rather than significant growth. Surveys from leading organizations suggest that salary budgets are holding steady or even decreasing slightly compared to 2025. This means that, for many employees, substantial raises are unlikely in the coming year. The wage outlook reflects a cautious approach by employers amid evolving economic conditions. Several factors are contributing to the stagnation of salaries in 2026. Economic normalization after recent periods of volatility has led employers to adopt a more cautious approach to wage increases. Inflation trends, which have stabilized compared to previous years, are reducing the pressure on companies to raise pay at the same pace as before. Additionally, the job market is increasingly employer-driven, with organizations having greater leverage in setting compensation and work arrangements. These dynamics together are resulting in more modest or flat salary adjustments for many workers. The federal minimum wage in the United States has remained at $7.25 per hour since 2009, marking over a decade without an increase. This stagnation has significant implications for wage growth nationwide, as it sets a low baseline for millions of workers. While some states have taken steps to raise their own minimum wages, many regions still adhere to the federal standard, limiting overall earnings potential. The lack of federal action contributes to growing disparities in income and purchasing power, particularly for low-wage workers. As a result, wage growth across the country remains uneven, with many individuals seeing little improvement in their real earnings over time. Wage growth in 2026 is expected to vary significantly across different regions. States like Missouri and Nebraska are raising their minimum wages to $15 per hour, offering a substantial boost for workers compared to the federal minimum, which remains unchanged at $7.25. In total, 19 states will see minimum wage increases, directly impacting millions of employees. Meanwhile, other states, such as Iowa, are experiencing stagnating wages and fewer remote work opportunities, reflecting a more conservative approach by employers. These regional disparities highlight how local policies and economic conditions continue to shape the landscape of wage growth in the United States. In 2026, the landscape of remote work is undergoing significant changes, with many employers scaling back flexible work arrangements. This shift is influencing salary trends as companies increasingly prioritize in-office presence and adopt more employer-driven practices. In regions like Iowa, reports indicate stagnating wages alongside a notable decline in remote work opportunities. These developments suggest that employers are regaining leverage in setting compensation and workplace policies. As a result, workers may find fewer remote options and more modest salary adjustments compared to previous years. In 2026, salary adjustments are expected to remain modest for most workers. While some regions and specific sectors may see notable wage increases, the broader trend points to stabilization or only slight growth in pay. minimum wage hikes in certain states, such as Missouri and Nebraska, will benefit millions, but these changes are not widespread. Overall, employees should anticipate relatively flat salary changes compared to previous years. As 2026 approaches, employees and job seekers should anticipate modest or flat salary growth compared to previous years. While some states are increasing minimum wages, most organizations are maintaining or slightly reducing their salary increase budgets. This means that negotiating higher pay may be more challenging, and job seekers should be prepared for a competitive market. It's important to stay informed about regional trends, as wage growth and opportunities can vary significantly by location and industry. Careful planning and realistic expectations will be essential for navigating compensation decisions in the coming year.